I've flown Tail 487 several times. I actually flew it the first time around. This was my first fighter squadron, and I remember my commander's name, both of them being up on the side of that jet, and seeing that green star, and I always just thought it was the coolest jet. So now being back, being the commander of this squadron, and actually seeing my name on the side of it when they unveiled it at my change of command, I don't know, it's a dream come true. It really is. There's no other Strike Eagle that has as many hours as this one. Also, it's the only one that has 2 air-to-air kills. There's only one other air-to-air kill in the Strike Eagle community. We call it America's jet because of its history. It is very reliable. The crew chiefs work very hard on it. The thing about aircraft like this, it's not just an inanimate object. It's not just steel and fire. It's got a soul, and it's got a heartbeat. And what I think, you know, we all fly it. We've all had significant emotional events in these aircraft. I think each one of us leaves a little bit of who we are behind. It's a huge pride for us as the chiefs to own it, but also for me personally to be the name on the side of the aircraft. We say Chief Standard, which to us means that we're the most proficient, most tactically capable fighter squadron, not just Strike Eagle squadron in the Air Force. And I think this jet just speaks to that. It's just like us, always leading from the front.